All right, yeah. So I have one little update for y'all, just so that you guys can see what it will look like on real time tracking the stocks and your investments. So you guys remember the Amazon stock that I invested? I bought it for 2,921. So I bought it sometime around here, 11:45 a.m. And remember when I checked it, I had already lost $2. So sometime around here, I was checking it, I already lost $2. I was a little bit sad, but notice what the stock did, right? Notice what the stock did, and if I look at my portfolio on Investopedia, I'm gonna refresh this real quick to make sure. Bam! It is accurate, and look at that. Instead of losing $2, I am currently making $48.78 off of Amazon, off of that Amazon purchase. That means, and I'm making 93 cents now off of Apple, which means in total I have made a profit. If I sell it right now, I've made a profit of $49.71 with Amazon. So my value in that I have invested in the stocks, actually my account value is $10,049.71. That means that I'm up money by $49.71 for my investment. So that means my $10,000 have already grown, guys. And this is how we track the portfolio. Sometimes it could be down, sometimes it could be up. The goal is after a certain amount of time, we want to be up as much as possible, depending on the investments that we take. All right, yeah, I hope that makes sense. And let's know that here comes the money.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Peace, y'all.